Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the online class of Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, Biramitrapur. Today we are going to learn the missing ring from the book Stories Past and Present. The missing ring. You must have heard or read the stories about Birbal, a wise and clever man. He had uncommon wit and intelligence. He was a minister in Emperor Akbar's court. Here is a story in which Birbal helps Akbar in finding a thief. Paragraph 1. Akbar was very fond of jewelry. He had hundreds of rings in which diamonds and many other gems had been set. But all the rings he had, he liked one the most. It was a large ring with a number of pearls and diamonds set in it. The ring was a present to Akbar from the queen. Paragraph 2. At Akbar's palace, there were 8 servants who looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. Every day, one of these 8 servants used to help Akbar get ready to go to the court. None other than these 8 servants could enter the emperor's room. Paragraph 3. One day, the emperor was getting ready to go to the court. He wanted to wear his favorite ring that day. He asked one of his 8 servants to bring it, but the servant came back saying that he could not find the ring. Akbar ordered them to search for the ring, but it could not be found. You might have noticed some of the words are highlighted. The highlighted words are new words. If we want to know and remember the new words, we must take help of some sentences. Let's know the meaning of highlighted words. Wise. Wise people think before they act. Clever. He has a clever brother. Wit. Birbal has uncommon wit. Intelligence. Quality of understanding. Fond of. To like something very much. Diamond. A very hard, bright, and clear precious stone. Gems. Any sort of valuable stone. Pearl. A small round white object that grows inside the shell of an oyster. Palace. Rajvilas Palace has more than 100 rooms. Look after. We should look after our things. Get ready. We must get ready ourselves. Ornament. Nowadays, gold ornaments are very costly. Jewelry. Ladies are fond of jewelry. Let's know some question answers of SGP 1. Question number 1. What was Akbar fond of? Answer number 1. Akbar was fond of jewelry. Question number 2. How many rings did he have? Answer number 2 is Akbar had hundreds of rings. Question number 3. Which ring did he like the most? Why? Answer number 3. Akbar liked a large ring most because a number of pearls and diamonds were set in it, and it was present to him from the queen. Did Akbar find the missing ring? who helped him to find the missing ring. Would you like to see the missing ring? Wait for the next class.